When you search for small electric hot pots, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Dezen Mini Hot Pot. First up is the Dezen Hot Pot Electric Upgraded, which comes in at around $33.99. What caught my attention is its non-stick sauté pan capability. If you want a portable hot pot that not only cooks but also sautés, this is worth a serious look. This electric pot has a capacity of 1.5 liters, making it ideal for quick meals. It heats up with 700 watts of power, which means you can enjoy your ramen or fried rice in no time. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The non-stick coating makes cleaning a breeze, and you can sauté without worrying about burnt food or sticking. Plus, it offers adjustable power settings, 300W and 700W, so you can choose how fast you want to cook. However, some users mention that it can take longer to heat up than expected. Now here's the thing, while that might frustrate some, I actually think it's a plus because it allows for more controlled cooking, especially for novices. This is perfect for you if you're living in a dorm or don't have a full kitchen. Skip this one if you need something that cooks larger quantities. For the price, it really delivers great value. Now, if the heating time of the Dezen Hot Pot bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Elite Gourmet Hot Plate. Next up is the Elite Gourmet Countertop Electric Burner. Priced at just $16.99, this compact hot plate caught my eye for its portability and efficiency. If you want a no-fuss way to cook in tight spaces, you should definitely check this out. This burner has a powerful 1000 watts and 7 heat settings, which means you can simmer, boil, or fry just about anything. It's great for dorms or RVs, and its cast iron plate ensures even heat distribution, so your food cooks consistently. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It allows for a range of cooking options without the bulk of traditional stoves. But I should mention, a few users have reported that it can get quite hot, which might be a safety concern. Here's the thing though, if you're careful and keep an eye on it, it's manageable, especially if you're used to cooking. This is perfect for you if you need an extra burner for holiday cooking or small kitchens. Skip this if you're looking for something that's more multifunctional. Honestly, for $16.99, it's an absolute steal for anyone needing additional cooking space. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more cooking versatility. Product number 3, Dezen Hot Pot with Steamer. Our third choice is another Dezen product, the Hot Pot Electric with Steamer for $36.99. Honestly, its additional steaming feature caught my attention. If you want to cook and steam your food simultaneously, this is worth considering. This pot also has a capacity of 1.5 liters and boasts the same 700 watts of power. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It means you can prepare a full meal in one pot without needing extra equipment, which is perfect for efficient cooking. A downside is that some users mentioned it can be a bit heavy when filled up. But here's the thing, if you're careful while handling it, it's a small trade-off for the extra features it offers. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional cooking appliance. Skip this if you're just looking for a basic hot pot. For the price, the versatility makes it a solid value. Now, if the weight of the Dezen with Steamer is a concern for you, the next one is super compact and might fit your needs perfectly. Product number 4, RHD Portable Electric Kettle. Coming in fourth is the RHD 0.5L Small Portable Electric Kettle, priced at just $19.89. This one really stands out for its compact size and travel-friendly design. If you want something that's easy to carry and quick to boil water, this kettle is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's small enough to fit on your desk but powerful enough to handle your daily needs without taking up too much space. However, some users noted that it can rust if not cleaned properly. But here's the thing, as long as you follow the cleaning instructions, it should last you quite a while. This is perfect for you if you're a student or traveling often. Skip this if you need something with a larger capacity. Honestly, for the price, it's pretty reliable for quick boiling needs. Alright, that kettle is handy, but our last option is a bit more versatile for cooking. Product number 5, Dezen Hot Pot Electric. Finally, we have the Dezen Hot Pot Electric for $33.99 once again, but this one is a bit different from the first. What impressed me is its unique design and functionality. If you're looking for a reliable hot pot that combines style with efficiency, this is one you should consider. Like the others, it offers a 1.5-liter capacity and 700 watts of powerful cooking. Its sleek design makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen or dorm. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It not only looks great but also cooks effectively, meaning you won't have to compromise on aesthetics or performance. One complaint is that some users feel it's not as durable as they expected. But here's the thing, if you handle it with care, it should hold up just fine for regular use. This is perfect for you if you want something that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Skip this if you need something extremely heavy-duty. For the price, it's a well-rounded option that meets both cooking and style needs. So to wrap it up, we've got the Dezen Mini Hot Pot for its sautéing features, the Elite Gourmet Hot Plate for its portability, the Dezen Hot Pot with steamer for versatility, the RHD Portable Electric Kettle for quick boiling, and the stylish Dezen Electric Hot Pot. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your specific needs best.